Hey guys, there's been a lot of talk about these cases of hepatitis being seen in children all over the world. What is hepatitis? So the hepato part of that word stands for liver, and itis is a suffix we use in medicine anytime we want to refer to inflammation. So hepatitis is inflammation of the liver, and that can be caused by all sorts of things, including viruses. In fact, the viruses that most commonly cause inflammation of the liver are called hepatitis viruses, hepatitis A, B, C, etc. You've heard of those. But in fact, almost any virus can cause inflammation of the liver, including SARS-CoV-2, which is the virus that causes COVID-19. But so far, out of 169 kids in 12 countries, only about 20 of them tested positive for SARS-CoV-2, which is the virus that causes COVID-19, whereas 74 of those kids tested positive for something called adenovirus type 41, which is a different virus. Now, what's unusual is that although that virus can cause hepatitis, usually it causes hepatitis only in children with weak immune systems, and that was not the case. Most of these children were actually healthy. And right now there are many different viruses that have been detected in these kids, but unfortunately there is not one single virus that's been detected in all of these kids. Many of these children have not had adenovirus tested, but some of these children have been tested for it and haven't had it. So we haven't yet identified that one virus that might be the cause of all of these cases. For anyone that's wondering out there, one thing that is clear is that this does not have to do with COVID vaccination, because most of these kids were in fact not vaccinated for COVID. If you're worried about your kid, most of the kids who have suffered from this are under 10, many are under 5. The things to look out for are jaundice, which is yellowing of the skin or the eyes, abdominal pain, dark urines, and sometimes light-colored stools. For now, the advice, as always, is to keep your child home if they're sick, keep your child away from other children who are sick, and hand washing as always. And stay tuned because we're still learning more.